Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to a very grey and gloomy Peak District. Now today we're going to have a look at an abandoned lead mine. I'm here with Steve. Go. Let's go. Now there's records of the mine dating back to 1740. The mine was opened until 1883 when it had to close due to financial troubles. It then reopened briefly between 1913 and 1923 when it then closed again. It then fully reopened in 1950 only to close again in 1958. Now apparently this was the last working lead mine in Derbyshire. Magpie Mine Field Centre, Agent's House. Smithy. So what's this we've got here? Very large chimney. Difficult can it be getting through a gate? Yeah, the square chimney was built by John Taylor, the Cornish mining engineer, during his modernisation of the mine in 1840. It was part of an engine house complex for a steam winding engine, but when the mine closed in 1846, the engine was sold and the buildings were demolished. So there you've got a map of the site. Got the agent's house that we've just had a look at there with the smithy next to it. Currently at the square chimney. Now we'll go and have a look at the long engine house, the Cornish engine house. Yeah, go and have a look over at the gunpowder store and the replica horse gin as well. Right, so this is the old winding house. So would that have pulled the lift up and down?
Imagine so. There's a pulley wheel up there with a cable attached to it.
Yeah. So that.
And that goes down at that angle. That's part of the shaft there, isn't it? So.
Yeah. Now down here is the remains of the flue from the chimney. It's being blocked off. It's not down there at all anymore. You still can't really see. Squeeze down. See much. Oh. Worth a try. Now up at the top of the steps here we've got the Cornish engine house, which is the big building in front of us. Now that used to house a coal powered engine that powered a pump. Now this pump was used to remove water from the mine to stop it from flooding. Now as the cost of coal increased, it became less viable to operate, And that's when they installed a drainage ditch that runs for 2 kilometres or 1 point something miles underground and outlets into the River Wye. So yeah, this whole building was purely to operate the engine which pumped out the water to stop the mine flooding. Now in 1833, a dispute at the mine led to 3 miners from another nearby mine suffocating. They suffocated from fires lit by miners from here, Magpie Mine. This resulted in a murder trial. Now, as it turned out, all 24 suspects were freed, as in the end it was unclear who was responsible. The old headgear there. Now, apparently that dates back to the 1950s. So that'll have been when it reopened in 1950, and as I say, it was only open for another 8 years until its closure. So the main shaft is apparently 200 meters deep. So yeah, I'll try not to drop this down there.
Got a torch?
I have got a torch.
I don't think it'll reach 200 metres.
No, might light something up there.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can. Light anything up down there. Lights it up a little bit. Hello?
Could you help me?
Hello?
We're 4th generation.
Hello?
Help me.
Yeah, 200 meters deep.
This is quite interesting. Look, it's still got the tracks on it. So obviously it goes down.
Yeah,
You wheel the cart onto it, and
Yeah.
the cart gets brought up full of
that's it, yeah.
lead, or whatever lead comes from.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. Yeah, so you could see, as you were saying, the cable goes from the top there down to the wheel at the bottom. The shaft itself, it's 728 feet or 222 meters deep, although the bottom 160 feet or 47 meters is flooded.
Brake handle. Brake shoes. Cable brake, isn't it?
Yeah, so that tightens up round there, doesn't it?
It's a brake shoe.
Yeah.
Some sort of locking.
So that's obviously another,
That's a lock.
it's another winding wheel, isn't it? For what would that be for? At this angle to the headgear. There's another pulley up there, isn't there?
There's a second pulley down there, yeah. It goes over the top. Look, there's pulley wheels there.
Yeah.
Jockey wheels.
Oh, and across here as well.
Yeah. Well, that's the cabling. That's for pulling something else up. Look, this looks like another hatch, another entry to something.
There's an old wheel there. Go past the Cornish engine house. Can walk up to the old gunpowder store. Oh, try not to slip over on these slippy rocks. The drizzle is getting heavier. Oh yeah, that stone structure, circular structure, is the old gunpowder store apparently. We'll have a quick nosy. Yeah, gunpowder store, can walk in it from the other side. Yeah, so do you think there's any practical reason why it's circular? Is that to reduce the impact of an explosion if it went off? Or is it just because he wanted to build it in a circle?
No idea.
Yeah. There you have it. Gunpowder store. Right then, so that was Magpie Mine near Sheldon in the Peak District.
Classic Peak District weather.
With classic Peak District weather. Can't beat it. Yeah, so if you've enjoyed this video, you give us a nice big thumbs up, it would be very much appreciated. Other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. See ya.
Bye-bye.